What's up, guys? This is Andy with Andy's Auto Care Plus. Checking in with you guys. Wanted to do a quick little review of a new product that I got my hands on, BlackWow Pro. This isn't to be confused with just the regular BlackWow, which I have been using for actually quite a while. Between that and Solution Finish was pretty much my go-tos when it came to any sort of black restoration or trim shine, things like that. I've tried out some aerosols and whatnot, but I always revert back to either BlackWow or Solution Finish. I do have a comparison video that I made in the past. I'll put a little link up there in the corner so you guys can check that out if you want. Otherwise, I'm going to get straight into it with this BlackWow Pro and my thoughts on it. So one thing right off the bat that I do want to say that I read on this is it's not the same product. You know, it looks pretty much the same. It looks the same, smells the same, has a little bit different of a consistency. This stuff I actually am noticing I have to use a little bit more. It doesn't spread out as far, so that's important to know. With the regular BlackWow, you can do a little tiny bit on an applicator, just like a little drop like that, and you'll be fine. And that'll go quite a ways. This stuff you have to actually, you can only do like a little section. But it seems to absorb a little better. It's not as oily looking. You get really just a good finish without having to mat it down or anything like that. So without further ado, I'm gonna go into this. This is like the before. I'm working on a Jeep Wrangler, which you know, they got this black plastic all the way around it. It gets beat up. It's got scuff marks in it, yada yada yada. So this is the before, and then here is the after look on it. Just a nice, good, clean, original look. It's not overly glossy. It's not crazy, but it definitely gives an overall good look to it. See there's another little spot. With it not going as far, you do have to make sure little tiny spots are going to stand out, like around this. They're going to really stand out. So I'm going to end up going around all those little spots. But I'm going to do a little bit on here so you guys can see how it works. Show you how much I'm using here. So I'm using about that right there, which isn't a whole lot, and I should be able to get this top section here. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, bear with me. It's a little shaky, sorry guys. So I'm just rubbing it into the plastic. I'm not just like doing a nice little gloss, almost like I'm hand waxing that kind of movement, because that's how I've noticed I'm getting the best coverage on it. So that's why I've been doing it. And it's not heavy. So that's the after effect. It does have a little bit of a gloss to it. It's not crazy, but it definitely gives an overall really good look that I'm starting to really enjoy. The ease of application, it is really easy to do, but like I did say, you're really going to have to probably take your time. It does take a little bit longer than the regular BlackWow, like I was saying at the beginning of the video, just due to the fact that it doesn't spread as far. It still spreads pretty far though, as you can see. I mean, that little bit I did really worked for the whole thing. I could probably end up working it in this whole section here. But anyway, that's kind of quick little rundown of this product. I'm already an immediate fan of it, just because, I mean, look at that. Big, huge difference. I mean, there was streakage and all sorts of weird looking stuff going on there. You can't really see it anymore. It's claimed to last anywhere from 3 to 6 months. I've yet to figure that out yet, because, you know, I just got my hands on it. Actually, no, it says 4 to 6 months. It also says that multiple thin coats are better, but obviously realistically in our detailing world, unless it's a maintenance client, which yeah, it could work fantastic for that, but unless it's a maintenance client, you get one shot at impressing that customer. So make sure it's a nice even coverage, even coat, you know, that sort of thing. Because you might not ever see that vehicle again. It could be one of those people that only come once a year or whatever. So 4 to 6 months, I guess, longevity on this stuff. I will see. I'll be doing some testing on my own vehicles. That way I can get some longevity report, and hopefully I end up making a video of it and not just forgetting about it. Anyway, I'm nearing up at 5 minutes. Hopefully I didn't bore you guys. If you want that product, I'll put a little link in the description down below to get it on Amazon. Otherwise, I will catch you guys on the next video. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. Peace.